Hello! In this tutorial we will learn how to make a dimmable LED with a capacitive touch button and Arduino. On the touch of a button, the LED will slowly turn on or off. This project is brought to you by pcbway. What I really like about them is that you can get 10 professional made boards for around $5, which is really amazing for professionally made boards. On their website, just click on the Get Instant Quote and you will see how much the PCB will cost. They also offer other services like PCB assembly, 3D printing, CNC machining. The link will be in the description, so go and check them out. For this project you will need a capacitive touch sensor, one LED, 1 kilo ohm resistor, breadboard, some jumper wires, Arduino board and Visuino program. Wire everything according to this schematic. Go to Visuino website and download and install Visuino program. Start Visuino and select the board. In our case it is Arduino Uno. Add debounce button. Add toggle flip-flop component. Add detect edge component. Add analog value component. Double click on the analog value 1 and in the elements window drag set value to the left side and in the properties window set value to 1. Now drag another set value to the left side and close the elements window. Now add ramp to analog value component. And in the properties window set slope to 0.5 seconds. This component will ramp up or ramp down the input value in a given time, and in our case this is 0.5 seconds. Connect Arduino digital pin 2 to button 1 pin in and connect button 1 pin out to flip-flop 1 pin clock. Connect flip-flop 1 pin out to analog value 1 set value 1 pin in and connect flip-flop 1 pin inverted to detect edge 1 pin in. Connect detect edge 1 pin out to analog value 1 set value 2 pin in. Connect analog value 1 pin out to ramp to analog 1 pin in and connect ramp to analog 1 pin out to Arduino board, digital pin 6 PWM, at the bottom click on the build tab and make sure that you selected the right ported board and click compile, build and upload button.